Hi friends, I'm showing you this couch console with wireless power bank. This is a Zigtiger couch cup holder, tray couch organizer with a cup holder, snack caddy, couch arm table, self-balancing console for sofa. So you will see a lot of this like in my video, so I will show it one by one. As you can see, this is the manual and this is the whole like couch set in the holder. So there is a snack holder. It's a very good size snack holder and you can open it. It's an airtight container, so you can just put in the snacks here. This is the cup holder, so you can put your drinks in it, like the glass and stuff. And you can see this is the 360-degree like rotation type of thing, so it should not fall. So we will test it later on. Just removing this packaging. So this the cup holder, you can see this is the wire for this battery pack. So this is the wireless battery pack that you can charge your wireless mobiles and everything using this one. So this is a really nice quality and it's plastic. Now you can see the quality here. So this is a modular set that you can see, and this is the wire, the USB-C cable to charge the battery pack. And as you can see, it start charging, so you can charge it once and then you can put it back in the holder to charge your devices. So once charged, I will just remove this and put it back, and I will just put my mobile. You can see that it start charging. See, there's like green sign, so it's charging now. This is the wireless thing. Or if you want to use the cable, that's also the possibility, because it have one USB and one USB-C cable connection within this battery pack here. So you can use a USB and you can charge another device, or you can use the USB-C and charge the device. So this is really nice and very well designed. This is the spacer that you can use for the modular function. So this spacer can come in the back completely. So you can use the cups there, or you can just put the spacer here. You can put your mobile like this, or you can use it the way you want. If you have additional cups, you can put these cups here. So this coucher kit base is really nice with a 10,000 milliampere charging module, and you can see all the different colors and options and instructions here. So I'm just putting it on my recliner, and you can see that I put the snack and I put water and the drink. So my mobile is charging through this charging thing, and then I'm trying to show the test the water. So even if I rotate and shake, you can see the glass is shaking, but the water is not falling because the modular cup holder is also rotating, so it's safe. The snack box, really nice set.